and clampers. Clippers and clampers are essential circuit which is used in signal processing to manipulate amplitude and voltage level of waveform. And think of an electrical signal like a wave in the ocean. If we needed to cut off the top or bottom of it, or we have to move the entire waveform, wave upward down. First, clipper is nothing but trimming the unwanted part of the signal. And the clipper is like a volume limiter. Imagine you are listening to music in your mobile phone. If there is a sudden loud noise, the clipper could cut off the extra loud so that it doesn't hurt your ears. And clamper is nothing but shifting the entire wave upwards without changing its waveform. And imagine that you are adjusting the brightness of your TV screen or mobile screen. When you increase the brightness, the whole image becomes bright, which means the signal moves up. And when you decrease the brightness, the whole image becomes darker, which means the signal moves down. And the clamper works by adding constant DC voltage to AC signal, includes diode, capacitor and resistor, which controls how the wave functions. And Tirupati will say, introduce about design thinking stages.
All about setting mouse, right? What are the mouse? What are the methods? What are the steps in setting mouse? These are the steps, right? So empathy part means understanding the user needs, what the user wants, right? So they are getting the signal, managing the signal levels in the similar range, so that the idea of this concept and combinations they are basically the signal the overload voltages in the similar range. So the common issues first common issue, and second is the voltage imbalance. Like the voltage imbalance in the two ranges also, that it's an incorrect DC voltage supply. So that it can't appear right way. So that's here another issue. And after that start the streaming over start wrongly. Yeah, and the stakeholders are a person or a group of organizations. This is interested or affected by a business or something or products or business. So they name as a stakeholders. So then after millions telling that they need a safe and reliable platform so that say efficient signal handling in this nature. And end users expect that efficient signal range to be held in this circle. So that's the users. So the main concept is proper signal handling is more important in this signal range. So the rippers and clampers are the key users for an issue. So the different concept is defining a problem. What's the problem is there. So the problem statement is need to control and regulate signal safe operation. So that's the problem statement. The key questions we have to like how we can limit the amplitude voltage, and the second question is how we can adjust the DC voltage. So that is the two question of this. So here the two rippers and clampers will take place. Like these are the solution of this questions. Like the rippers are the question he used to limit or keep the voltage, amplitude voltage to prevent the distortion. So then clampers is used to shift the DC voltage. Instead of decide the range of signal. So the aim goal is to develop the solution different rippers and clamper. So then ideate part. So they come to know about that the rippers and clampers are the only key resources to solve the issue. So the reason for this how can we design that ripper and clamper. So using possible solution for numbers to using diode series with load to if you say excess voltage, the diode series will be applied to this. And shunt clippers is a parallel clipper. The clipper is placed in the parallel right, in right, so that and it is the electric level will be a keyword of and then the cold voltage. Can we know what the cold voltage is? This is the minimum value and so they are like the constructive it's a conductor inverse channel between the drain and source of the master. So that's it's a minimum voltage, minimum required voltage or limited voltage. So the possible solution for clampers is there are two clampers, so positive clamper and negative clamper. All the clampers used to in the upward direction and negative clamper used to in the downward direction.
The prototype is nothing but running off circuit with a real world application. First, in liquid circuit prototype, there are two types. One is series clipper, and in that we use a diode in series with the load to clip the signal that is above the set voltage. And in shunt clipper, we place the diode in parallel to the load to cut off the signal when it exceeds the threshold voltage. And in clampers, there are also two types. One is positive clamper. In that, the signal shifts upwards using the diode, capacitor and resistor. And in the negative clamper, it shifts downward, ensuring the DC level remains in the required range. And testing, we are going to evaluate the circuit performance. And here we have to verify that the clipper successfully limits the range or the signal amplitude without introducing an unwanted distortion. And voltage and checks the clipper accuracy at the voltage level. And for testing clampers, we should ensure that the clamper shifts the signal in right DC level and without changing or altering its waveform. And based on these testing and results, we can refine or restructure the circuit design to improve its performance.
These are the diode operation and the series is configuration and the voltage. The diode operation is used to like the networks use the diode to pour the electric current into direction. Both the diode is using those signals. So in simple terms, it is used to control the size of the waveforms, like peak of the waveform. So series and shunt. So in series configuration, the clipper is iron in a series and so the waveform can be chopped out into a limited area. So if the power get too high, the waveform will be cut down into a small parts. So in the series in shunt, if that's too much of voltage the shunt will be takes a role in like it's used to limit the value of the waveform. So the threshold voltage is used to like as I said first threshold is the voltage is a minimum voltage. It is the voltage used to cut down the sector of this waveform. So that's so these are the applications of networks, mainly focus on audio sector and communication field and television and radio broadcasting and electronic devices with high amplitude and signal peak control in power amplifiers. These are the applications of the networks.
And there are two applications for clampers. First is to set the DC level in the waveform, and for biasing amplifiers and power supply regulation, and in TV receivers to maintain the pixel processing, and in medical instruments to ensure the readability properly, and for radar and communication system. in signal grounds.
In conclusion, the difference is used to limit the waveform or cut the big wave into a small parts of waveform. So in Blanker side, we have to see that it adjusts the volume of the waveform. So and it is difficult to make because as compared to clipper is in a simplicity form, but clamper is in difficult form to make. So it also and it constructed with their capacitors and diodes. So the shape is difficult to make, and also where only specially recommended to volume adjusting of the waveform. So clamper is for that. And the clipper is used to flipping the waveform and into a flipping the peak waveform into a small theta. That's the conclusion of this.
While both flipper and clamper are important, but while flipper is only to limit the signal, and clamper reposition them for the better performance and radiation. Thank you guys.